Yo guys, and welcome back by this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price action, where we are right now forming a very interesting divergence. I will be as well go over the 1 hourly candles to discuss what we could be expecting here for the coming days here in Bitcoin and the coming hours here in Bitcoin. Of course, I will be going over the daily time frame, and I will be talking about the Bitcoin dominance time frame, Bitcoin dominance chart. So yeah, if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash up the like button. Of course, the more people that are going to smash up the like button, the more people that will be finding out about these cryptocurrency videos, the more people will be getting exposed to crypto. So make sure that you're going to smash it up right now here. It will be highly appreciated. And with that out of the way, let me start off with discussing what I personally anticipate for Bitcoin right now here. So what you can currently see here is that Bitcoin has been still trading in a very significant downtrend, like you can see. So we have been forming lower high, lower high, lower high for now on. And of course, what I do want to be seeing in order to see Bitcoin flipping bullish again here is to see this lower high, of course, this high over here form once again a higher high. So if we could be forming a higher high structure, this is going to be, of course, bullish for Bitcoin. But as long as I'm seeing the lower high structure, I will be remain a little bit more bearish and a little bit more bearish to neutral on Bitcoin. So as well, we have been forming clear lower lows as well here. So it looks to be that we are right now still trading in this very clear downtrend. So a thing that I'm currently seeing here, what I think we should be paying our attention towards right now here, is this divergence that I'm seeing on the chart. So currently, of course, while the Bitcoin price action is still forming a lower high here in the price action, we are seeing the RSI set a higher high. So while the momentum, while the strength of the buyers is increasing, we are seeing the price action still forming a lower high. And this is, of course, indicating a hidden bearish divergence. And we have been seeing this bearish divergence already several times here because, yes, 2 days ago, I addressed this bearish divergence as well here because we were forming clearly a lower high over here and, of course, a higher high on the price action. And since seeing these things here, guys, this is always resulting in a very significant pullback, and like you could have seen over here, this, of course, resulted in an approximately pullback of 6% here. So right now, I, of course, already announced that I will be in a minor short position because, first of all, the bearish divergence is right now not only playing out here on the RSI here, but as well this here hidden bearish divergence is well playing out here on the money flow index. So you can see here, lower high getting created over here. So the RSI is once again forming a higher high like I discussed, of course, telling us that the buyers are basically losing their strength here. But as well, if you're looking to the money flow index, we're basically as well forming a clear higher high here on the money flow index. Well, the price action is still forming a lower high here. So yeah, money flow index is as well suggesting that we are not looking strong and that we're about to see a correction in the market, and the RSI is suggesting this. So I personally do anticipate that the market could be maybe either see sideways action from here on or a minor pullback towards a little bit of lower target. So make sure that you're going to keep your attention towards this. Yes, it could be just exactly like we saw over here. Maybe we're going to see in once again, let's say 4 to 8 hours sideways action before really seeing this bearish divergence solidifying and playing out over here. But for sure, we are seeing right now a clear signal that we are having a bearish divergence right now here, and together with the significant downtrend we're in, I do think this is going to be, of course, very likely to expect another drop off from here on. So at the same time, guys, we're seeing several things here. You could be looking for maybe a potential resistance line either from the top side over here or either from this wick from the top side. And if you're going to address it towards the downside, you could be as well see this. We are forming a resistance line. Even though if you're going to connect the candle bodies here, you could be as well looking for a resistance line from here on. And these levels basically all come together with the level of resistance where we got rejected on the previous 4 hourly candle close. So right now it's going to be important on where this one 4 hourly candle close will be will be basically closing. But personally, I will be still anticipating that we could be expecting a pullback from here on because it is looking very likely since of the hidden bearish divergence on the 4 hourly candle. So yeah, major warning for you guys out there right now here as well. We could be maybe approach it a little bit differently. Maybe we could be approach it like, of course, a potential falling wedge scenario here. We could be for sure see a falling wedge right now playing out here on the market, and this is of course going to look like something like this here, and this could be maybe take some more time to consolidate before moving up or down from here on. But personally, it is going to be likely to anticipate at least a pullback because the momentum indicators are right now suggesting a pullback. So that's of course a thing that I wanted to be raising the awareness on to you guys right now. If I'm going to look at the 1 hourly candles, it looks to be that this 1 hourly candle is going to be very important on where we're going to close it. The previously 1 hourly candle was trading against the 45.7k resistance, and this 1 hourly candle is right now trading above it. But for sure, this could be just a wick and we could be moving down from here on. But if this 1 hourly candle is going to be able to close above this level of resistance, we could be maybe find some very strong support on this level and maybe still see a move towards the upside from here getting generated. But for sure, it's going to be very interesting where this market is going to head towards. As well, you can see here previous resistance, previous very strong support. This is of course a level that I'm anticipating as major resistance. So yeah, you have to be keeping your eyes out on this channel right now here. If you're going to look at the parallel channel that we were creating here on the 1 hourly candles, it as well looks very interesting. So you can see lower side support, top side resistance, lower side support, top side resistance, support and resistance. So maybe we were first going to touch the top side before once again moving down from off this channel, but this looks also very interesting if you're going to ask me how this is currently looking, of course. So yeah, there are not a lot of interesting things right now playing out on the market, and the only interesting thing that I'm currently spotting is of course this hidden bearish divergence on the 4 hourly candles. If I'm going to look at the daily candles, of course I will be still saying here 46.7k is going to be major resistance from the top side, and the 42.5k is going to be major support on the lower side. So yeah, I do think that Bitcoin still is going to visit the lower side here before moving up here, and I will be trying to catch this with a short position that I just opened, of course, like I already announced. And if you want to be joining me with the short positions, you could be right now sign up here with BYBIT in the link in the description, highest link in the description, and you could be able to join me as well here on these trades as well. Make sure to follow me here on Twitter, because if you're going to follow me right now on Twitter, you're definitely not going to miss out on all these signals that I'm giving to you guys out there. So as well, the Bitcoin dominance, guys, quickly going to address this here. Of course, I have been already talking about this several times on my streams here. You can see Bitcoin dominance formed a rising wedge, broke down of it, and then formed the bottom at the previous bottom that we created over there as well. So you can see, looks to be that we're maybe potentially going to form a double bottom from here on, and this could be resulting in Bitcoin seeing some more strength. And what is likely if Bitcoin is going to show some more strength here, is Bitcoin is going to start to decrease. It could be so that the altcoins are going to fall harder, or if Bitcoin is going to increase, it's going to be signifying that the altcoins are going to lag behind Bitcoin. But of course, if we're still going to fail to hold on towards this level, my next target in the Bitcoin dominance is going to be the 35k here. 35% here. But personally, I do think this is going to be a strong signal that the market could be at least see some more strength for Bitcoin right now here. So make sure that you're going to keep your eyes out on this. And guys, this was already it for today's quick update video here on Bitcoin. It was a very short update video, but later today I will be bringing you guys another update video here, probably about the Ethereum price action. So make sure that you're going to subscribe to the channel right now here, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.